Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set up a face unlock or add your face to unlock your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel devices running the latest Android 16 version. So open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down up to Security and Privacy. Tap on the Security and Privacy. Again scroll down. Here you can find the device unlock option like screen lock, fingerprint, face. So tap on it. Now scroll down. Here you can set the fingerprint and face unlock. We already set up the fingerprint. So now tap on the face to face unlock. Unlock your device. Now set up the face unlock. Your face is only stored on device and never sent to the Google. Use your face to unlock your phone or verify when you in the application. Those select the I agree. Now how to set up face lock on the next screen. Hold your phone at the eye level. Tap on start. Now here you can see we set up my face. Center your head in the circle like this. We set up my fingerprint. We set up my face. It will add. Now here you can see looks good. It means now when you pick up your phone or tap the screen, you can use your face to unlock. Face unlock works best when there is enough light and you are not wearing a mask or a dark glasses. So here you can see skip lock screen. After unlocking, go direct to the last use screen. Notification won't show on lock screen. Swipe down from the top of the sheet. So you can toggle on this option if you want to directly unlock your device without screen lock. But I always prefer you to make sure toggle on this option. Toggle off this option on your device to secure your phone data. Just tap on a done option. Now here you can see the face unlock option. Unlock your phone, verify that's Union apps. Here you should require eyes to be open. Make sure toggle on this option to unlock your phone. Your eyes must be open on your device. Always require confirmation when using face unlock in apps. Always require confirmation when you use the face, and skip the lock screen option after unlocking. Directly last use screen notification. Like here you can see we direct go to the home screen. Just unlock my device using the face. And here you can see unlock. Just swipe up and you can directly go to this option. If you don't want to set up this option, just toggle on this option. Just toggle on this option on your device or lock your phone. And now when we try to unlock like this, you can see directly open. So very helpful feature to set up or add face unlock on your Pixel 10 series. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.